First thing in the morning, we open up, put everything ready for the customers, make sure everything's in working order, the till's being happy and behaving itself. And then we do a variety of sorting and unpacking and filling up shelves and rotation of the stock.
We only take a small amount of donations here in Stonehouse because we're quite a small shop compared to the main shop at Brimscombe. They can take that more than 2 carrier bags at a time, but we're quite limited for space. You can probably see I'm standing by some LPs, vinyl. So we've got quite a lot of vinyl, DVDs, CDs, teenage books, children's books, speciality books, trains, planes, automobiles.
People come in to look for things that they've seen online or on the television, and local points of interest, like the canal itself is very popular for tourists and things, so people can come in and find out a little bit more about what we're doing.
It's obviously not finished yet, so we need to raise as much funds as we can. It's very important for tourism. It does bring quite a lot of tourists in. That's going to get even more so when the missing mile is completed and we can go walk or sail all the way to Sewell Junction. It's just a fantastic local resource for local people in the Stroud area.